We're going on the 14th to court with one purpose, and that purpose is to explain to the court why it should not be party to this kind of truncated, rushed process with a project of this kind of public significance. The court should not be party to it. This community should not be party to it. We deserve a full review. You know, it's kind of bizarre. Many of you know that most simple projects could languish before a planning board for several years, literally. And here we are with what appears to be a project with huge implications, social, economic, and otherwise, certainly environmental, for this community. And yet we have this rush to judgment. Now, we also, in our petition, speak about the Town of Goshen Board. Because frankly, there's an integration. The same law firm happens to represent the planning board and the board. And these things seem to me to be clear. You have here significant changes to a comprehensive plan. And I hope the media will understand this in its entirety, because it's very, very important that the public get the full picture. In April of 2016, a developer came and wanted to build several hundred units of housing on part of this site. There was a discussion held at the town board, not the planning board, to determine whether the town board was interested in doing a rezoning which would enable that development. During that discussion, at least 3 of the town board members spoke explicitly about the lack of water in that area, about the traffic problems in the area, about the environmental sensitivities in the area, the very same area which is the Legoland area. This has been repeated and repeated. And the comprehensive plan and the town zoning ordinance are both consistent with the comments that those 3 members uttered that day in April. And nothing has changed in the last 7 months or 8 months. There's an utter inconsistency between the Legoland proposal and the studies which have been done in this town of what parcels in the town, what properties, what areas are environmentally fragile and need to be protected. And yet Legoland trammels all of that, and there's a rush to approve it.